Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, compass, power brakes, wireless charging station, electronic brake force distribution, rear floor mats, real-time traffic. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.